Next, is there a relationship between defect location and severity? Your selected question is then analyzed and translated into a visual format designed to uncover insights hidden in the data. The platform makes it easy to refine and customize the graph using plain language. It also provides the underlying Python code along with a step-by-step explanation. Plus, it offers an interpretation and deeper analysis to help answer your original question more thoroughly. The relationship between defect locations and severity shows that component defects are evenly distributed across severities. Internal defects significantly drop in moderate severity, while surface defects are predominantly minor. This indicates a dependency between where defects occur and their severity levels, as patterns differ by location.